Hello everybody, and welcome to Greg's Vintage Workshop, where work and restore history one piece at a time. Today I'm going to do something completely off the wall, completely different than I've ever done on my channel. I had restored a couple of 2 or 3 cars through my early lifetime, 57 Chevy 2-door wagon, 69 El Camino, 68 VW, just various things such as that. I might have had 1 or 2 other things in there, but those were the main ones. And in 2010, I was living in Greenville, North Carolina at that time, so I decided that I was going to build another car. And I decided to go with the VW, and I was going to make it stock, which quickly turned not to be the case. And so I went looking for a rust-free VW, and I found a 1966 VW that was about 2.5–3 hours away on the other side of Raleigh, North Carolina. And the day I went to pick it up, we were in the middle of a hurricane. So my wife and I drove to this city, which I can't remember the name now, it's been too many years ago, and I bought this thing and drove it home in torrential downpours of a hurricane, and the wipers, which were vacuum, just went barely like this. And finally stopped at a gas station. I bought some Rain-X, put on the windshield. The car wouldn't go more than 50 miles an hour on the interstate, and we managed to get it home. I think I brought it back home on a Wednesday, if I remember correctly, and by Saturday I had it stripped completely down. I did it all myself in my garage at that time, and everything you're going to see from the body work, panels, interior, engine, everything was done by me. And it took me from, I think I got it in September of 2010, and I finished it in like April of 2012. And I was working full time at the time, so that was weekends and nights after work that I worked on it. Unfortunately at the time, the only documentation I had was photos, because YouTube wasn't in existence. If it was, I wasn't aware of it. And so I wanted to put this together just to get a record out there that everybody can see the type of work that I did do at the time. I was very proud of this car, and when I got it finished, I didn't have it very long, and I turned around and sold it. Put it on eBay and sold it, and then a little bit later on it wound up on Mecum and got auctioned off at Mecum. So anyhow, without further ado, let's take a look at these photos. But I hope you guys will wait till the end, because I think it's really worth it to see how this car turned out.